Food. It is a fundamental part of our lives. We all handle and eat food every day. But do you know about the quality and safety of the food you consume?
Hey there, I am Arsalan and I am thrilled that you have joined us on our YouTube channel called Quality Food Safety 101. On this channel, we cover everything related to food, from industry leading standards to tips and tricks which you can use to handle food safely in your kitchen to ensure the safety of you and your family and your friends. Whether you are a food handler or someone who loves to eat food or someone who is cooking food for your family and friends, this channel is for you. So, if you are as passionate about food as we are, be sure to hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon to join our community and never miss an update. Let's explore this fascinating journey of food together.